Hello my beautiful friends, it is Christina Marie here with the Tribe Beauty Box. I love this box because it ships out every other month, and that way you know, it has something that you're really kind of looking forward to. So this box is $34.99 and you get 5 full-size products. One of the things that I really like about Tribe is they give you, they give you a tool, they give you something for your eyes, something for your lips, something for your face, just kind of an all-over experience, and I really like that. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and occasional giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, I do have a video that is live right now. I'll put the description and the link for that in the description box down below, and then I have an upcoming one that will be up shortly in honor of 100 subscribers, for just a way for me to say thank you to all you guys for all your support. I love you guys. So let's dive into this box. So the first thing in here I'm super excited about. It is the Beauty Blender, and I don't know if you can kind of see the size. This is the one, that I've been using. It was kind of gross and stuff, but look at the size, just because this one is damp. So when they are damp, they are going to expand a lot. And what I always do, because I do my eye makeup first, so what I do is right before I start my eye makeup, I get this wet, squeeze it out, and then kind of let it sit there to dry just a little bit while I'm doing my eye makeup. So that way when I'm done with the eyes, then I can move on to the face. I do want to say really quick that I learned the hard way is I used just like a mat. This is kind of the mat that I use for cleaning my brushes, and I was like, oh well, can use the Beauty Blender, I'll use some of these soft little ones here. Did that, and I tore a hole in my Beauty Blender. So don't do that. That's just my advice to you. Anyway, so I'm excited to get a new one. So this is the Just Chill one. It does retail for $20, and it's water activated Beauty Blender Chill. Is a teal makeup applicator that expands to twice the size when wet, twice the size. Blending liquid and powder products over the complexion using a bouncing motion to create a smooth and airbrush finished. So what I do is I kind of put the makeup, my foundation on the back of my hand, and then I kind of, put it on in different areas, and then I go in and bounce it. That's just my trick. And so I'm really excited to get a new one. So here we have Rodial. It is their Glam Brow Dark Ash Brown. Ooh, I don't know, dark ash brown, if that's gonna work. We'll see. It retails for $26. Create a perfectly defined brow with this dual and precision eyebrow pencil. So it's got the spoolie on this end, and then it's got your pencil on that end. Ooh, that might work. So this says with an ultra fine tip, retractable tip that makes for easy shaping and filling in our brows, buildable definition, and a polished finish. The soft cream texture mimics the look of brow hair and is smear proof with long wearing hold, offering color payoff and blendability. The spiral bristle brush tool at the other end allows for expert shaping by framing your face with a strong brow. This can immediately lift your eyes. And one of my goals this year was to really work on my eyebrow game. And this is really lightweight. So let me just kind of, I think this will work. So here is what it looks like. I'm gonna love trying this out. How fun is this? This is the Bella Pierre 12 Color Pro Lip Palette. Retails for $50. Each shade is formulated with moisturizing ingredients that will leave you feeling hydrated and soft while delivering high impact pigment. Mix shades together to create your own custom colors. I have one that's kind of a little bit similar. I've been using the Ish one a lot lately. So let's look at this one. How pretty is this? I don't know if you guys can see this, but it looks, and maybe it's just the way that they're in the pan. And I think it is. I think so. I first saw this and I was like, ooh, is that a big fingerprint? But I don't think it is. I think that, I think it's just the way that the product was delivered here in the pan. And then you've got, so you've got the little protector, you've got a little dual side brush here. So it kind of looks like this. And then on this side. And then I don't want to blind you guys, but here are the shades. And since I've already got that other one that I've been digging into, I don't want to dig into this, but that, like, this quadrant down here are the ones that are really calling my name. And so here is kind of on the back what they all look like as well. How pretty. I am excited to use this. I love the Bombs packaging. It's just reminds me of 50s chic. So here is, kind of looks like a little pinup girl. And what this it is, the Sexy Mama Anti-Shine Translucent Powder. And when it comes to unwanted shine, Sexy Mama comes on strong. This anti-shine translucent powder is formulated with revolutionary tiny oil absorbing spheres to remove dreaded shine, leaving you with a soft matte finish so you and your makeup are all set. Here's kind of what the product looks like. I do use I don't use like a setting powder all over my face or anything like that. What I do though is use a pressed powder right underneath for my eyes. Ooh, and this one has a little mirror on this side as well. And then here is what the shade itself looks like. You can swatch that. It's kind of, it has a peachy tone, but it said it's translucent. Here's what it kind of looks like on the finger. And then let's just rub it in. Yeah, it comes off really translucent once you rub it in. So it's just right here, you can hardly see it, is where I put that powder. So I don't know if I said or not, but this one does retail for $20. Also by the Balm are the Manziner sisters. And this is the Luminizers, retails for $28. Designed for the girl on the run, the highlighting trio ensemble enables you to emphasize your finest feature. This palette, it contains 3 triple milled, which I really love because that means, you know, it's really soft, not chunky or anything like that. Masking highlighter, shimmers, and shadows. The champagne, rose, and golden bronze shades are flattering on all skin tones and easy to apply so you can take your glow on the go. So it does have a little mirror here. And then on this side are the shadows, like this, are the different shadows. I think, you know, they're perfect for, you know, every skin tone can, will be able to, you know, some of them can't use this and some of them can't use that. So, but there is one in here for you. You know, if you're darker, use this, lighter, use that, and somewhere in the middle, you can use the middle one. But you can also use this as a really cool eyeshadow and transition shade, though, as well. So if I add everything up, it comes to $144. Really good deal. I mean, everything in here was a knockout. I love the lip palette, the eyes, you know, the beauty blender. I needed a new one of these, and I use this, you know, this guy every day. And then the 2 Balm products. Love, love, love. Great job, Tribe. What were your guys' favorite items? Let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It does really mean a lot to me when you subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.